So, you accidentally formatted your SD card. It happens. Trust us, at 7 Data Recovery Experts, we've seen it all. From wedding photos to drone footage, it's always that one card you didn't mean to format. The good news here is that most of the time, your data's not really gone. And in this quick video, we're going to walk you through how to unformat an SD card, step by step. Let's jump into it. Step 1. Connect your SD card to your computer. Doesn't matter what kind you've got. Could be a Windows PC, a MacBook, desktop, a laptop, whatever you're using is fine. If it has a built-in SD card slot, awesome. If not, just use a USB card reader. They're cheap, they work, and that's all you need to get started. Step 2. Download a recovery tool. There are a bunch of solid options out there: Disk Drill, Stellar Data Recovery, PhotoRec. All decent in their own way. But for this demo, we're using Disk Drill. In our tests, it usually gives the best results when you need to unformat an SD card, especially with photos and videos. Just head over to the official Disk Drill website and download the version for your system. Windows or Mac OS, both work great. We'll include the download link in the video description, so you don't have to go searching for it. Step 3. Launch Disk Drill and start the scan. Now, go ahead and launch the app. You should see a list of all the storage devices connected to your computer, including your SD card. Find your card in the list, click on it, and then hit search for lost data. Now, the app might ask you what type of scan you want to run. Just go with the default universal scan option. Step 4. Review the scan results. As the scan's in progress, you'll start seeing files show up: photos, videos, documents. It all depends on what was on the card before formatting. You can wait for the scan to finish and then just click the Recover All button to save everything Disk Drill found, straight to your computer. Or, you can start browsing through the files right now. Just click one of the little pictograms at the top. Each one represents a file type. For this demo, let's go with pictures, since that's usually what people need back the most after formatting. Now you'll see a list of all the pictures Disk Drill has found so far on your SD card. You can click on any file, and you should see a preview on the right, super helpful to make sure it's the photo you actually want. If the preview doesn't show right away, just click the little eye icon next to the file name. That should do it. It's the easiest way to pick and choose exactly what you want to recover, without guessing. Step 5. Recover your selected files. Once you've picked the files you want back, just hit the Recover button in the bottom corner. Disk Drill will then ask where you want to save them. Important tip: don't save them back to the same SD card you're recovering from. That can overwrite other files you haven't rescued yet. Instead, pick a folder on your computer's hard drive or an external drive. Once you choose the destination, click Next, and Disk Drill will start recovering your files. Step 6. Copy files back to your SD card. Now that you've got your files safely recovered, you might want to copy them back to your SD card. To do that, just open the folder where Disk Drill saved your recovered files. Then drag and drop them back to the SD card like you would with any regular transfer. This way, you'll have your SD card just like it was before formatting, with your files right back in place. And that's it. That's how to unformat an SD card and get your data back without breaking a sweat. If you haven't used the SD card since formatting, your chances of a full recovery are actually excellent. But if you did use it after formatting, don't worry. It doesn't mean recovery is impossible, it just gets trickier. But that's not a given, you never really know until you scan the card. And honestly, most of the cases we've seen still had plenty of recoverable files even after light use. So don't give up too early. Now that you know how to unformat an SD card, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a recovery tip. Hopefully you won't need this again anytime soon. But if you do, we've got you covered. Thanks for watching.